अभी क्या कर रहा है, हीरो बना देंगे आपको। या वो भी होता है, बहुत सही। एक्चुअली इट्स योर धर्म टू question yourself and things around you and to actually always evolve and change. The artists are also like, dude, तेरे को 2 बार क्यों खेलना है, हमें करने देना। थोड़ा सा डिल्यूजन चाहिए होता है लाइफ में कि अबे देख लेंगे इनको, ये जानते नहीं हमें, you know, all of that. I think the that realization कि oh ये हो गया है. I played a gig in Delhi after my second album, and that is when we were playing the show. लोगों ने सारे गाने गाए करके. It was too early for me to also like realize कि oh ये फैल गया basically like that.
Like I said, if transformation was a person, if there was a word for like, I don't know, second innings, coming out, reinventing yourself, then there's one answer, there's one artist, and that's Raman Negi. We're so always
Thank
happy and
you.
glad to have you and host you in the Red FM studios.
Thank you so much. And on that note, I would say that Red FM was one of the first people who, when I started this, invited me multiple times to sing my new music, to interview me. So, but thank you so much for the honor. Thank you.
And it's been, we've seen you like in so many different phases of life and combinations and people.
As I put it, like people were asking me that you're doing this again, and you go like I feel like I am a child of this community. As a musician, I was here as a young person and I've grown up, and now you're seeing a different side of me. So I totally feel that this is a community thing. So I'm here. And I'm here because of that.
Which is very nicely put, Raman, because when people find an artist or find a song, they don't just fall with in love with the song, and we've seen this now. The audience is matured enough to understand we grow with that artist, right?
Yeah.
Because we connect with the kind of vocals you guys are writing about.
Yep,
at a certain stage and age of life. Then we reach another phase, we grow with you guys. And when we see that there are very few artists who sort of accept that, embrace it, and enter that phase of life and give you that kind of music, those kind of lyrics, that is what hits the chord even like so many years down the lane, I think.
Yeah, I think as you put it so well, like it's like you do things in life and you get famous for it, and it's beautiful. Like it's beautiful that you do art in your time without even thinking about where it's going to lead you, and it leads you to a place of love with people. But at the same time, you are an artist, and actually it's your dharam to question yourself and things around you and to actually always evolve and change. And sometimes when you do that, it might think that you might have to change yourself a bit, and you have to talk where you are today.
Yeah.
And I have found that really like a cathartic thing to do. Ki I can say that at this age in time and still do it and still have people around me, people who actually appreciate it. And yeah, it's been a great.
Too much of flowery language. Honestly, मुझे एक बात बताओ. That's the truth, the cathartic sense of like finding that.
Yeah.
आसान नहीं है यार, बहुत फटती है.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
बहुत फटती है.
बिल्कुल बहुत फटी थी. या बिल्कुल डर लगता है. मतलब आपको डर लग रही होगा तो लोग डरा देंगे आपको. अभी क्या कर रहा है?
This is what I want to hear. How has that been? How did you overcome that fear? क्योंकि वो बहुत मुश्किल है.
Like मेरे जो दोस्त हैं वो मजाक उड़ाते हुए भी, अबे तू अभी भी आर्ट के नाम पे पैसे चला रहा है, and they're my very close friends, so we talk like that. But when I told people that this is, I want to do something else in life, and they were like, but हो तो गया है ना, this is what you wanted.
हाँ हो गया ना,
हो तो गया है,
रॉकस्टार बन गया, फेमस हो गया.
Then you think oh that's how you look at art. अच्छा तू ऐसे देखता है इसको. The artists are also like, dude, तेरे को 2 बार क्यों खेलना है, हमें करने देना. At the same time, I was always working on my craft, and slowly it started taking shape. तो जैसे दिखने लग गया वो, and उसका जो body आने लगी, songs after song, and then I started liking it more. I liking the process more. It's such a cliche is the process, but it is actually that. It is in the doing.
That's because nobody's been able to crack it, no? जो crack कर लेता है, जो वो बात करता है प्रोसेस की, तो बड़ा क्लीशे लगता है सबको.
कि ये बड़ी बातें कर रहा है बैठ के यहाँ पे.
But it's not that easy, right? That's what I meant when people are not there to support you. What keeps you going? Is it you all alone motivating? Raman को बोल रहा है.
हाँ मतलब some days were crazy. थोड़ा सा delusion चाहिए होता है लाइफ में कि अबे देख लेंगे इनको, जानते नहीं हमें, all of that. You keep telling yourself, you write, and you write songs about it, So I wrote songs about it. I wrote Koila about it. I wrote Dastane Shauq about it. I write. I am like, as my team says that I'm an eternal optimist.
See, that's what I'm saying. We have seen you grow. We have grown with you, and we have seen that restless phase also come out in the music, and then that reaching that ठहराव जिसे कहते हैं.
Yeah.
मतलब बिल्कुल
Yeah.
एक और cliched word है, but so important, you know.
Yeah, it absolutely.
Because वो restlessness थोड़ी से time बाद, you know, after a certain period of time, it eats you up because you need to find something. तो वो जो journey रहती है हर artist की, some achieve कर पाते हैं, some नहीं कर पाते हैं, you know. And
Yeah.
इस तरीके से तो नहीं कर पाते हैं. That we are sitting here with 2 albums under your belt,
Thank
you know,
you,
going
thank
solo.
you, thank you. I'm very grateful for my
No, of
my
course.
agent, like, because to really get you placed in, not just there, like to RMF, to so many other festivals, right? To get me to play there and to take me there, ki no, you have to play here. So also there is like an energy of some thought put behind that. You have to go play literature festival, you have to go play here, you have to go rock and roll here, you have to go this here. So all of that is all coming in place, and it is sort of making my new journey into like giving a proper shape.
Yeah,
So,
it's taking a shape than what it was probably when you started out without knowing
without
where are
knowing
कहाँ
where
जा
the
रहे हैं
heck-
हम.
Yeah, मैं सिर्फ गाने लेके पहुंच गया था जेब में अपने की कि ये मेरे पास ये है.
पर चाहिए वो ना बेसिक तो वही है ना, बेस तो फाउंडेशन तो वही है ना.
Yeah, that is
बिकॉज आजकल उल्टा चल रहा है ना.
oh, we are gonna get into that. Yeah, आजकल हीरो बना देंगे आपको. Yeah, वो भी होता है, बहुत सही. Yeah, you're right about it.
But like we say, see, true art will also always survive. You know, it'll always come back stronger.
it is.
Give you a new benchmark, give you something new for you as viewers also, I think, as audience also, to realize कि यार ये भी होता है.
Yeah.
म्यूजिक इसे भी कहते हैं. You know, the risks that you've taken, I mean, बहुत सारे हो सकते हैं जीवन में, दुनिया के हिसाब से, आर्टिकल लिखने वालों के हिसाब से, आपके फैंस के हिसाब से. अकॉर्डिंग टू यू सबसे बड़ा क्या आपने एकदम किया यार, ये तूने क्या कर दिया यार? डू व्हेन यू थिंक बैक कि यार दिस इज नॉट व्हाट आई थॉट आई एवर एंड अप पुटिंग एट स्टेक.
I think that realization कि oh ये हो गया है was not after the first album. It was actually I played a gig in Delhi after my second album, and that is when we were playing the show with both the two albums. That was the only gig I played, and उस दिन जो पूरा रूम भरा हुआ था साकेत में, एंड लोगों ने सारे गाने गाए करके, and it was too early for me to also like realize कि oh ये फैल गया basically, like
अच्छा.
that कि ये हो रहा है या हो गया है. And also sometimes आप काम करते रहते हो, you release albums and you are in the, and I rarely, like that is my problem also. I rarely celebrated it, you know, like
आई थिंक यू मस्ट बी इन दैट फेज कि नहीं अभी तो करना है बिकॉज
हाँ
आई
कि
हैव टू बी एट इट.
अभी, बट ऑल्सो I'm like मैं उधर पहुंच रहा हूँ कि जहाँ पर यू ऑल्सो लुक यार दिस इज अ कैटलॉग मैन. आपने 2-2.5 साल में किया, आप चिल करो लाइफ में थोड़ा सा.
That stayed with me, bro.
Yeah.
So, but still, if I ask you, what is the boldest move according to you, जो आपने उठा लिया?
it is this new life.
ठीक है, सब लोग सही सोच रहे हैं.
this
सब लोग सही ही सोच रहे हैं, यही है.
this new life I would say.
Since this is the Riders Music Festival, you're playing for us. You know, you've played for us before also, and it's just always so amazing to see you perform on stage. I mean, that's amazing. You know, to see you go into that zone when an artist performs on a stage. It's actually a zone that artist goes into. It's a trip. You know, you're on
100%.
when you're on the stage. So let's hear about your writing stories.
Man, you know, I have not been riding recently, but when I was in college, and I used to ride my bike to Himachal, of course, you know, sometimes with your girlfriend, you know, of that time, or with your friends. And I think traveling riding is more important when you kind of get connected to yourself, and that is when maybe दिमाग के जाले ठीक हो जाते हैं.
दिमाग के जाले हट जाते हैं.
I really think that. And मैंने बहुत trips किए बाइक पे. But then I saw other riders with like fancy bikes and stuff. I was like, भाई ये तो professional है, you know, ये तो बहुत सही है.
But I think people make riding into this very complicated thing, you know, कि बड़ा महंगे चाहिए होगा, ये चाहिए होगा. भैया उठो और चलो ना, मतलब जो भी है आपके पास.
हाँ, that's how
Do
it
you believe
starts.
that?
But I
Because that's what a rider is. I mean, you're a rider when you ride.
Yeah, that's true. But I also, you know, at the launch event of RM,
Yep.
I met some really pro riders, man.
Seriously, like putting their heart and soul into it. It's
Isn't
like
it? From their look, from their tattoos, and from
See,
their hair. मेरे को लग रहा था मैं इतना अंडरड्रेस क्यों इस इवेंट पे. Dude, वहाँ पे जैकेट पहन के, and they were like older men and women with like beautiful hair, and it was like crazy. I did not expect it. I was and I was what I was
But then
thinking.
you're a rock star, no? Nobody looks at you like
No,
that.
it's the but it is like the passion, right?
Yeah, yeah,
That
yeah.
is what the Riders Music Festival, that whole event was about, and this festival there are going to be a lot of riders, right? So then you'll also see, ki, man, oh, this is also a way of life.
Yeah, it's
Like
unbelievable.
I'm not as serious. I was not that serious.
That serious.
But I get it. Maybe because I'm passionate about my things, I get it. What it means to you.
You respect the other person's passion. Yeah.
100%. Time wasted passionately is not time wasted. I think it's nice.
And we have like the cut for this interview. Writing playlist ki baat kare, what are the top 3 songs? If we say. Now there's a difference between the car music and the bike music, huh?
I think the song by Tom Cochrane, "Life Is a Highway." Life is a highway. That one. And I used to really like listening to "Satisfaction" by the Stones.
Ooh.
Because it has.
हाँ, तो पहला वाला गाना जो मुझे सुनना पड़ेगा, I have no idea. That
Rascal
song.
Flatts का ही version है उसका, but Tom Cochrane
Like, I
version.
mean, this is the beauty, right? When you meet another person, you exchange music. I think I love that. मुझे ऐसा लगता है
No, that is also important. People who make you listen to new music
Oh
are
my-
the most
are the most important people.
people in the world.
in the world, and that's me in my friend group, because I'm like, phone को कोई हाथ नहीं लगाएगा,
Wow,
मेरा phone लगेगा
wow.
बस.
You know, I think discovering new music is also sort of a lost art. And जो भी आपको अगर कोई बंदा हफ्ते में आके एक नया गाना सुना रहा है ना, अच्छा
पूजो से,
हाँ,
respect करो से.
मतलब जो भी मुझे नई आर्ट दिखा रहा है ना, books, movies,
No, no.
music, I keep them very close to me. Dude, thank you.
So, I mean, if one word we have to describe about the feeling of performing at RMF, you were at the RMF Sundowner, you just told us, like, you know, you did not expect कि ऐसा होगा, क्या लोग आए हुए थे. Like, there's a whole community and
Yeah.
people are serious about
Yeah.
their stuff,
Yeah.
like, you know. So, what's the feeling? You know, the year 2025 is opening.
I'm to really look forward to it. I'm gonna like totally rock it out, man, on the stage. I'm really looking forward to it. Because
Yeah, I saw you on the Sundowner. You were like, you were amazed and you were like happy. You-
I'm really looking forward to it, and also the lineup is amazing. So my friends are playing Pravas. We are on the same roster, you know, and it's gonna be a big ass party basically.
Oh my God.
That's what I'm looking forward to.
So what's the kind of process for you when you go to a concert, when you're performing, when you're getting on the stage? Like, say, do you plan something, or you are in the moment, or do you think कि मैं ये करूँगा? जैसे RMF में you're going to be there. So is there a thought process going on? You have a team working? कुछ ऐसा होता है? How does it go?
Like we find out the slot and, you know, the time of it, and then you choose the set list for that specific day. Ki how I'm gonna what song I'm gonna choose from both the albums, and then sometimes, you know, because it's home ground Delhi, right? So there are many
Correct.
fans, so you know, I will
कि
know
ये
that
तो चाहिए होगा इनको.
ये तो मुझे ये वाला पार्ट गवाना है मुझे इनसे.
Oh.
You know, like that.
Oh, you do that much of prep also?
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
wow.
yeah, that is important.
Oh,
कि वो
wow.
कहाँ पर होगा गाना. That's the whole thing.
That's the whole thing.
That's the whole
This
thing.
is what is going to be happening when you see him before he comes on the stage. This is all that he's going to be doing. The kind of prep we are putting in, the kind of prep the artists are putting in. I think on the Writers Music Festival, everybody, and this is passion. I think, you know, this is khud se.
I think it's gonna be a great 2 days.
It's going to be insane.
I told you at that
Yeah.
launch fee,
The launch party.
at the on the stage, that the curation is so nice, and I think it's gonna be a great time.
And that's what makes Writers Music Festival what it is. It's got riding, biking, serious stuff, music. We're very serious about it. And it's going to be a festival for sure. We need you there on the 8th and 9th of Feb. Skillboxes.com is where you get your tickets booked. Jaldi chao.